We keep them short and sweet. Let's go inside. That's it. Hi everybody, I'm Paul down here at Ccrv Mildenhall, where we, as you see, we specialise in fifth wheels. We've decided to actually put some American travel trailers into stock. We're primarily selling these as static homes, granny flats, mobile home type statics, occasional living, put them in the garden, self-build, this sort of thing. They're too big, they're too long, they're 30 feet. They're too long to be towed on the UK roads, as long as you understand that. These are quite a nice finish. This one has a really nice window in the front, which I'll show you once we get inside. So follow us inside and we'll have a look round. They've all got the nice residential steps, none of the old caravan-y blocks to slip over with. So if you have it as occasional living, perfect access. You could put some nice decking out here, pot plants, it look lovely. Come inside. Well, we'll do a quick tour of the kitchen here. Well, these models, they put a lovely fridge freezer in here. They're designed for residential living, so I'll open them up. That's the fridge, and that's the freezer. I mean, it's a good size fridge and freezer here. You can put everything in there, all your vegetables, everything in there. But they work 240 volt gas or 12. They're really good freezers. All right, we'll have a look around the kitchen here. Got a nice cooker. You've got 3 burners, splashback. It all looks very homely in this, quite well designed. Nice oven. Nice, plenty of worktop. We've got the quite modern taps. Let's see, you've got a nice view out of the back window here, which is very unusual in these American trailers. It's usually blanked off. But this is plenty of workspace, plenty of cupboard space. Very homely feel to this unit. Got a dinette. And it's a little flip sofa bed. This pops down to a bed if someone was to come around, and you could put a child on there, that wouldn't be a problem. We've got a nice little pantry over there if Dave swings by. This is sort of pantry, shoes, you know, storage. Got plenty of storage there. Nice comfortable living, these units. TV goes on there, that obviously comes with a unit. This little control panel where everything works, so the tank levels. Press the black one, you see it lights up, so it's empty. Batteries fully charged, fresh water's empty, grey empty. These are all brand units, new units in. Water pump, you can hear that on there, and these are the water heaters, slides in and out. So everything's simple to operate, all on that slide, on that control box. This is the controller for the air conditioning that these units have, and the gas blown warm air central heating. Right, we'll go through into the bedroom. Nice sized bed, I think it's about 5 foot. Nice bit windows you can view out. Have a look around. There's plenty of cupboards in these. Again, ideal to live in. If you're going to have it as occasional living or permanently living on a campsite. Plenty of storage. You've got a nice cupboard in here. Hang all your stuff up in there. There's piles of storage, and it's a nice, as I say, it's a nice bedroom. So if you pop round, have a quick look in the bathroom there. Dave's going to come through the other door. Got 2 entrances into that, which is very convenient. Got a toilet, hand basin, vanity unit, all that you can see. Got a nice size shower. This is quite a residential shower. You can hop in there. They put a little dome in the roof there, so if you're quite tall. But there's piles of room in here. I can get in here. I'm 6 foot or so. There's plenty of room. None of these little old caravan-y type bathrooms, you know. So let's get out of here. Let's try not to fall over out the shower. If Dave has a pan around there, you can actually see we've got plenty of space, plenty of storage, lovely finishes. I think these units come in at just under £30,000. They represent terrific value. So if you're in the market for something to put in the garden, occasional living, put on a campsite, live in it, use as a static, these are a perfect option. Thanks for watching.